up, everybody? As you can see, we're in the new whip. Give y'all some sound clips of the Audi S8. The V's gone. So that's what we're working with now. This thing definitely is not as loud as the V, but we're gonna be doing something about that. It's already got exhaust on it, straight downpipe back. I still haven't done the downpipe, so it's just everything behind the downpipes. I'd like the exhaust note a little bit louder, but the pops and shit is cool. I'm interested to see how fast it is compared to other cars. I raced the Scat the other day, and it's pretty even. I won one from a 40, he won one from the 60. And then I raced, I think it was like a 400 something horsepower BMW, and dusted that boy. Might do a POV drive, take it downtown. Might start vlogging again. I'll park somewhere, I'll show y'all the outside of it. So yeah, I'm gonna be back with y'all here in a minute. One thing that's crazy with this thing is I get 22 miles to the gallon if I really wanted to. So that's one thing that surprised me. Do a little test hit, roll the windows up. She's alright. It's decent. It's not bad. Still don't feel like the V, but pops like it. I don't know if y'all can hear that on camera. It's just the exhaust. I don't got intakes. I plan on doing all that. I'm gonna do downpipe intakes too. That's probably about as far as I'm gonna go with this one. Get all the cosmetic shit done to it. Once y'all see these rims, it's ugly as shit, but I'm definitely planning on changing them. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it compared to the V. Definitely more luxury for sure. For sure. Y'all watching the video, y'all probably already know what these Jimmys look like, but I'm interested to see if we can find anybody that want to do a run. It's kind of rush hour right now, but we're gonna see what we can get into. Do a couple tunnel runs. See y'all can hear that. Hit a little launch action. Y'all ready? Damn, of course it didn't pop. Fuck. That sucks. Yeah, alright, I'll hit another one so y'all can hear it. Thought I was gonna have some action, but he didn't want to play. The pops were pretty loud on this thing. Now that I got all the windows down, hopefully it's not too windy and y'all can still hear. When I launched, the fucking phone about flew out my damn hands. Know y'all seen that? Oh, it's not bad. Not bad, not bad. I know that wind noise is probably terrible right now. I'm sorry. I gotta get a camera. I'm just using my phone right now. It might be better though, because it's a new iPhone. I'm sure they got some shit in here where I don't hear the wind. One thing I don't like about this car, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, is it's gotta be something to do with the ECU. It's probably what makes me have all the good gas mileage, but if you like aren't getting on it, and you just heard it right there, it, like, I think it goes down a cylinder, so it kind of like makes it sound weird. And then watch, I'll give it a little bit of gas and it just turned off right there. I don't know if y'all heard that. When I tune it, I'm gonna see if I can get a custom tuner to see if it'll only do that in drive, so when I'm in sport it don't do that. Just did it again. There's another tunnel up here though. We're gonna see how loud I can get it. For sure want to get the exhaust tone up, but that's the deal with these twin turbos. They muffle the V8 noise a lot. Don't get me wrong, it don't sound bad, but it definitely ain't as loud as I want it to be. Here come the tunnel 2. See how that, it pops pretty loud at like 45 miles an hour in the second and third gear. Might be able to hear the exhaust note better with all these cars beside me. Annoy all the neighbors. Here it is, y'all. Bam. I did the diffuser on it. What I tell y'all about these wheels, awful. It's got the nice interior on it though. Yeah, I did the front grille not too long ago. So, yeah, that's it. I gotta get rid of them damn mirrors, dog. Fucking terrible.